we're gonna make some frames now, and you gotta make a lot of these. I'm in my shop, got my compressor on for the nail gun. You're gonna have to do 10 of these per box. So I'm in my shop, I got my Porter cable, nail gun here. I got 1.25" brads. They look like this. And so they work really well. I've just found when you're doing a lot of these, this makes life a whole lot easier. So let me show you how I do it here. And always remember, safety first. Also, I'll wear my cheese ball looking safety glasses as we do this. So this is pretty simple. You're going to want to put your end pieces on here like so. They're all sort of modular. So you fit that in there. Do the same thing on this side. Groove side up, obviously. Now, I flip it over. And here's where you get to use the nail gun. Okay, so once the two pieces are on and it's flipped over, you're going to take your nail gun, and let me see if I can get this to you the right way. You're just going to want to put it right in the middle. I usually pop 2 of these in here. So I usually pop 2 of these in there. You can see right there. These frames are going to be heavy when they're full of honey. So you want to have them pretty well reinforced. Sometimes also I can pop one right here underneath, and that will also reinforce quite a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to take my wax, and again, this is a thin sheet of wax, or it's actually a little tiny piece of plastic with beeswax on each side. Peel off the wax paper. All right. Now, my brad kind of moved into the middle here. So I'm just going to sort of squeeze it back. Okay, you just drop this in. And this gets a little bit tricky. You got to get the metal pieces in, and it's pretty flexible. So you kind of got to work with it for a minute. All right. Okay, I'm finally in on both sides. Now you take your bottom piece and do exactly the same here. You got to get that thing in the groove. When you press this down, alright, so once it's in the groove, then I'm going to pop a brad nail, or a little staple, right through the side here. If you'll notice, the staples, the 1.25", are just perfectly the same length there. It'll go through both outsides and into the other side. So let me set that down and center it up. And do the other side, press them all together. Okay, as you can see, it goes right through the end. So I got a staple here and here, and then I got a bunch on the, I got 2 on the top and 2 on the side, and that will give you a lot of rigidity. So 1 down, 29 more to go.